Hello, I'm Jill Kidd, the Director of Procurement and Business Innovation Initiatives for the Urban School Food Alliance. Thank you for joining us to learn more about Boost the Roost, the pilot project that tested parts of the school food supply chain. Our goal was to test ways to harness the purchasing power of the largest school districts to develop quality, clean label products and encourage smaller regional chicken manufacturers to participate in the school meal supply chain. That would also have environmental impact and encourage minority business to participate. Since 2014, the Alliance members have been committed to purchasing No Antibiotics Ever chicken. We also worked with other committed school districts and the Center for Science in the Public Interest to highlight unwanted ingredients to eliminate from school food and produce the ingredient guide for better school food purchasing. Here is some insight into the development phase of the Boost the Roost initiative from Dr. Jason Newland, Division Chief of Infectious Diseases and an Associate Investigator in the Center for Child Health Equity and Outcomes Research at the Abigail Wexner Research Institute at Nationwide Children's.
So why is it important to keep antibiotics out of our food products, and especially in children? And as I'm a pediatrician and a pediatric infectious disease, this means a lot and is an important topic for me. Antibiotics have revolutionized healthcare, not only for human medicine, but also for animal medicine. And the more we use antibiotics, especially where it's not needed, like in the raising of animals for our food, we are asking for more antibiotic resistance, meaning we can't treat common infections. And that can impact both humans and animals. And we need antibiotics to treat animals, but we don't need antibiotics that is just used to help growth and not be used appropriately. We would not be able to do the amazing things we're able to do in healthcare, like C-section safely, like have bone marrow transplants, heart transplants, lung transplants successfully, if we don't have antibiotics to both treat infections as well as to prevent infections. Therefore, using antibiotics only where they're needed and not where they're not needed, like in the raising of animals for our food, is important for everyone, especially for the most vulnerable, like our children.
We chose to work with Frontier Food Group and our product development partner, Rick Garcia, because of their expertise in product development and manufacturing and their understanding of the school food supply chain.
So our role in the development of the chicken products for USFA in developing the clean chicken item was to actually do all the product development, work in conjunction with some of the designated school systems that were part of the approval board process. And we worked with them to create 3 chicken products that would be more like you would get in a commercial restaurant environment. The goal of the project was to improve the quality of the product, to improve the offering, and to make it more of a commercial food service type product rather than the traditional chopped and formed school products. And our role was to help in doing that, manufacturing it, creating it, getting it produced, and making sure it met the requirements of the USFA group. Trying to get an organization as big as some of the membership of the alliance is just a major upheaval and a major challenge. The fact that we were able to get to a pilot, to get to a test, to get to getting 8 or 9 districts to agree to the project was pretty phenomenal, quite frankly. And although the results there were some hiccups here and there, which you're always going to have, that's why it's a pilot. I think that for the most part it was successful.
We worked with the Frontier Food Group R&D staff and conducted student taste tests to develop final specifications for 2 chicken products. The specifications for Boost the Roost chicken products included No Antibiotics Ever and removed the unwanted ingredients listed in the ingredient guide for better school food purchasing. The Alliance will continue to stay in front of the conversation to bring the highest quality products to students across the nation.